morning, children. I am Rameshwari, JL History, TTWURJC, Girls Narsapur, Medak District. Unit 1, Prehistory and Shatavahanas. Today we will study about geographical feature of Telangana, a brief survey of sources. Introduction of Telangana. The name of Telangana refers the word Trilinga Desa because the presence of three ancient Shiva temples at Kaleshwaram, Srishailam, Draksharamam. Telangana region has been ruled by Shatavahanas, Kakatiyas, Chalukyas, Mughals, and Qutub Shahis and Asafjahis. Telangana has unique historical past and ethnic past back in early times. This region attracted and accommodated different people for different region of world. The historical buildings in Telangana, Golconda, Kakatiya Fort and Bhonagiri, Panigiri, Kisargutta, Vemulavada and Charminar, Makka Masjid, etc. The region has well-rich natural resource that will study in feature of Telangana in briefly. In this unit, we will start from Telangana geographical features and next with the prehistory and last we will discuss about Shatavahanas period. Features of Telangana. Geographical features. Telangana has situated 17.36 northern latitudes and 78.47 eastern longitudes. Deccan Plateau, which 70 million years old, it has highly eroded hill racks. Average altitude of 300 to 600 meters, with general slope towards east. Its north and northeast side occupied by Godavari Valley. The rocks, namely sedimentary, are mainly observed. The granite limestone are formed in Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda, Rangareddy, and Warangal, Karimnagar, Adilabad. Coal deposits at Karimnagar and Adilabad, and also asbestos and barytes formation, etc. In next topic, climate condition. Telangana has semi-arid and hot dry climate. Summer starts from March, average temperature 42 centigrades. Monsoon starts from June to September, 755 millimeters. Winter starts from November to February. In average temperature 22 or 23 centigrades. Overall rainfall is 80% in Telangana. Rivers. Telangana has two major perennial rivers, namely Godavari and Krishna. Godavari tributaries are Manjira, Maneru, Indravati, Pranahita. And another river is Krishna. Krishna river enters in Telangana from Western Ghats, Mahabaleshwaram into Mahbubnagar district. Krishna river tributaries are Bhima, Dindi, Musi, Munneru, etc. Despite of the major rivers, Telangana experience mostly dry and semi-arid climate. Next, Godavari river Maharashtraloని నాసిక్ త్రయంబక్ వద్ద, ఆదిలాబాద్లో బాసర వద్ద ఎంటర్ అయి నిజామాబాద్, కరీంనగర్, వరంగల్ అండ్ ఖమ్మం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నుంచి ఏపీకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే కృష్ణా రివర్ వెస్టర్న్ ఘాట్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మహాబలేశ్వరం నుంచి మహబూబ్నగర్, తెలంగాణలో మహబూబ్నగర్కి ఎంటర్ అవుతూ నల్గొండ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నుంచి ఆంధ్రాకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ సాయిల్స్ అండ్ వెజిటేషన్. The soils types are red soil, black soil, laterite oil soils. The red soil are mostly formed in southern Telangana, suitable for groundnut crops. Black soils, we know that it is suitable for cotton and dry crops, mostly seen in Nizamabad, Adilabad, Warangal, Medak, etc. Next, forest. The natural vegetation of Telangana consists deciduous means which lost their leaves seasonally. Deciduous occupied in area Adilabad, Nizamabad, Warangal, Khammam. Scrub forest. Scrub forest means చిన్న చిన్న పొదలతో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాంతము. In area Nalgonda and northern Mahbubnagar. Whole forest covers 23% of geographical area. Forest produce teak, rusa grass and later for perfume oil, BD leaves in Nizamabad, custard apple in Mahbubnagar district. And next, boundaries of Telangana. Telangana are landlocked. The state shares its boundaries with the Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. The Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are divided geographical by river Krishna. This area is divided Andhra and Telangana. And state occupied area are 1,14,840 kilometers. Population 3.52 crores. Total district 10, old data, 33 new data. Telangana spoken languages are Telugu and Urdu. The next, these are features of Telangana. Next we will start a brief survey of sources.